Oh, fucking pigs, man. These Japanese tools, man. Japanese tools are good, man, but this one's the most sturdiest one. It's by the fucking book, man. Top shit, top shit.